What's up, people? First of all, before I start this new video, I started posting on YouTube again after a couple years, 3 weeks ago, and since then there are like few hundred people that are subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. A lot of the video that I'll be posting as far as travel is like those videos been recorded like a couple years back before the corona, so some will be been recorded during corona, but majority was not. A lot of the video that I'll be posting when it comes to travel was posted before the corona hits, and it just I guess right now is the right time for me to start editing. You know, I finally learned how to somewhat edit a video. It's not perfect, but you know, it is what it is. But going back to what I was saying is thank you for subscribing, and do me a favor, let me know where you which country you are coming from. But I know for sure there's a lot from the Philippines, but I know there are a lot scattered all over the world. So comment below, please, if you could. And supposedly if you hit the thumbs up or thumbs down, it shows the YouTube that there's some people watching, so they can promote it or something like that. But if you can do that, I greatly appreciate it. All right, let's go continue with the next video. Hey, good morning. Makulimlim ngayon dito sa we just had sa Texas, we just had a thunderstorm last night, as I was able to record that. Yung dalawang sasakyan dito ngayon sa garahe, malindi sila, kaya yung sasakyan ni Victoria ngayon ang gagamitin natin. So as I was saying earlier, may grocery duty ako ngayon, kaya punta ako sa grocery para bumili ng few things, and I'll be utilizing my old Camry here para yung isang sasakyan hindi madumihan. So here it is. Welcome. I think hindi po vlog yung sakyan na to, but this one has a lot of memories. Dito ko rin tinuruan siya mag-drive. So si Junior din, ito din ang gagamitin ko pag is gonna come that fast. By the end of this year, eligible na siya para mag-drive as student. So I guess if I'm still vlogging, I'll take you guys to that journey too. So alright, let's go to grocery. So the state of Texas already don't have the mandate, which means I don't really have to wear my mask if I don't want to. But yung mga facilities dito, mga business establishment, they still require for you to wear a mask when you go inside, which is a good thing. Yeah, give people an option. You know, if you don't want corona, put your goddamn mask on. Just kidding. But yeah, I like that policy. You know, not trying to make everybody wear a mask. By now, everybody should know the risk of corona. So if you know at risk, if you're that 1% that could die from it, put your goddamn mask on. That's all I'm saying. So we're almost home. I'm about a half mile away from the house. Got done shopping already, as you may have seen already. What are we doing for the rest of the day? I think mag-assemble tayo ng TV stand since it's raining. Nothing to do outside, but eventually I'm gonna do some gardening outside. Try to do some raised bed garden. Pag gumanda-ganda ulit yung temperature or the weather. It's raining ngayon dito sa Texas. Feel like I was in Washington State or when I was in Germany. Similar weather right now. Pero hindi ito maglalast. Maybe a day or so more. After that, we're gonna go back to typical 80 to 90 degrees Texas weather. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm assembling that what do I call that, the TV stand for the second master bedroom sa bahay. This our guest room right here. Here's what it look like right now. And this room is almost like a master bedroom. Another set of master bedroom, or second master bedroom. So what I'm trying to do is instead of mounting the TV there, I bought me like a sort of stand.
Everything's so far away. Cause we never needed the truth.
So that took about an hour of hard work, as you saw. Yeah, let's go check it out. And I decided to just keep it here because it's too short for the living room. So the one in the living room, I'm gonna have to. I already have a mount, so once we get the new TV, we're gonna mount it. So this is what the guest room, aka my escape room, looks like right now with the television. So it's kind of flat. I think I need to put something right here, but for now we're gonna keep it blank. And here it is. Guess. Check that out. All my backyard lights are motion detected. So all the wind is detecting the light to come on. Get back inside. It's scary outside. We got lightning and thunderstorm. Princess,
Junior, are you scared yet? Yes, you are. Princess, let's go outside. Let's go outside, Princess. Why? See that light that came on? That's sensor light right there. It's the light right under the water. Surgeon. Ay, mother.